Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the controller closely. Look along the rails, buttons, and the USB port for dirt, corrosion, or physical damage. Once done, remove the controller and perform a soft reset by holding sync and the SL and SR buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears many firmware hangs. While it charges for 30 minutes, make sure the switch console firmware is current, because mismatched firmware causes pairing errors. Keep a small brush and isopropyl on hand. Those will be used next. Now you calibrate and address mechanical issues. Go to System Settings, Controllers and Sensors, then calibrate control sticks. Follow prompts to map neutral positions. Next, clean around the stick with compressed air, then carefully apply 90% plus isopropyl on a cotton swab to remove grime. This reduces friction and restores contact. If drift persists, you replace the stick module or use a targeted contact cleaner on the potentiometer. These steps restore electrical centering and explain. You finish by reconnecting and verifying function. Repair the controller using the sync button or via USB, then test every input and rumble in the controller menu. If problems are intermittent, inspect and reflow any cracked solder joints or try a replacement battery while watching temperature and voltage to avoid damage. If issues persist after these fixes, perform a console factory reset as a last software step, and if still unresolved, contact official support for hardware replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the fault on another console to isolate the controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.